Ayan guys, happy tracking channel sa inyong lahat. Ayan, kamusta kayo? Then meron tayo ditong 6UZ1. Before tayo mag-start guys, hingi ako sa inyo ng subscribe sa ating channel. And would you like to introduce? Is it okay for you? Okay, by the way guys, yan, siya na introduce na sa atin yung unit. Brother, what is that?
It's Isuzu Giga.
Isuzu Giga.
Bumper lights, latest model, 6UZ1 engine with double differential.
Double differential.
Yeah, big van unit, this one.
Can you tour us to this unit? Can you tour us? Can you show us?
Yeah.
Okay.
Fully chrome face, see, door garnishing.
I see. It's manual transmission?
Yeah, manual transmission, original Japan.
Because some of the unit, convert?
No, it's original Japan.
Okay.
Manual transmission.
Do you have idea what is the horsepower for this one? Initially,
So 14,000 cc.
14,000 cc.
Yeah, cc.
Okay, so 14,000 cc.
Yeah.
And still this one is as is.
As is. Original condition from Japan surplus.
Never been touched, no paint pa. Guys, ito hindi pa napinturuhan, original pa sa Japan.
Pentora, original wing body. Wala na patching body. Yeah, original lahat material.
Pwede ba siya i-remap, bro?
Yeah. Already remap. You can see.
Ayun.
Remap.
So guys, if
DPD
you're
deleted.
if they will visit here, if they see this one, it's a mark of already remap.
Already remap.
Guys, pag nasa FND kayo, if you will see these tags, yan, it's automatic remap now. So let's see more chassis guys. Pakita ko pa sa inyo yung chassis nito, gaano ka sariwa. Ayun guys, napakaganda ng chassis kasi nga very thick, no? This is one is C-pillar, no? C-pillar type or yan guys, anyway guys, yan, meron siyang dalawang tangke. Ilang liters kaya to? Maybe it's around 300 liters, no? It's airbag yan nga pala guys. Kung gusto niyo siya ipa-convert to Molye, pwede naman, additional na lang kayo, no? So dito guys, yung condition ng gulong niya, yan, makita niyo makapal pa. Tandaan nyo guys, Japan surplus yan, no? So what do you think guys? Parang napinturahan na rin yung chassis, no? Loko tayo nito, Ayun, papakita niya din sa atin yung loob. Walang damage yung no damage. Meron lang, minor lang, pero hindi siya big deal, no? So do you have guys? Official price lang naman to guys, no? So it's possible pa na tumaas, possible na lower price. Will depend on the job order. Pero initially, papresyohan nyo to, it's around 2.2. But still, negotiable.
Yeah.
It's negotiable naman. Lahat naman ng mga truck dito, negotiable guys. So, ayan. Guys, ayun nga. Yun, na-tour tayo ni brother, no? Sa unit na to. So, magpapaalam na ako sa inyo guys. Maraming salamat. Happy tracking channel everyone. And bye-bye. God bless. Thank you.